Horses age 24. Alma's advising that the driver threw something out near Parks and Shady Drive.
Yeah, I'm 1037. We're still, coming up to McClure, it looks like.
10-4.
Number 5 supervisor.
10-4.
I'm primary.
10-4, age 24 primary.
Gray sweatpants, we're passing McClure right now, still southbound. Black jacket, black helmet, black backpack.
10-4.
Speed's about 50, no traffic.
10-4, speed 50 no traffic.
Just went on to third.
Number 5 Marlin.
10-4.
Speed's still about 50. You may lose it here in just a minute.
10-4.
I'm borrowing 5 copies. Where is Ray out for you?
Southbound, speed is still about 50. We're coming up to Crawford Road.
10-4, Crawford Road.
Get your fucking hands up! Put your hands on top of your head right now. If you move, I will shoot you. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir. 29, they broke out at Crawford Road.
Yeah. Leave this hand on top of your fucking head.
How fucking stupid can you be? Don't give you a fucking warning. You're on a fucking moped. Well, guess what? Now you're selling.
Did I tell you to stand up?
Stay down. What's in your pocket here? Anything on you legal? Guns, knife?
No, I don't got. I have a knife in my pocket.
10-4,
What are you running for? Because I just told you I have a warrant.
Well, that's kind of stupid, right?
Is my face messed up?
I hope. No, you're still ugly.
Your lip's bleeding. You hurt anywhere else? You need an ambulance? You need an ambulance?
Honestly, my fucking head hit hard. I had to go to the hospital the other day.
2414. Send me a 1016, please. We're right here at this Crawford Road.
I'm not going to run or anything. I've got a fucked up collarbone.
Did I tell you to stand up? Sit down. You got a knife, Cody?
Yeah, you can put it. I can't feel my hands.
What's your warrant for?
Huh?
What's your warrant for?
You have an ID on you?
No.
Here, sit on your butt.
I got a really bad collarbone. I'm not
Go
going to
sit down on your butt.
Yeah,
It's easier for you there. There you go.
There you go. You have an ID anywhere on?
No, I don't.
You don't?
Is your real name Bryan, like you told me?
Yes, sir.
Bryan what?
Grom Beachem.
Bryan Beachem?
Yeah, Bryan Beachem, what he told me. I was going back to running my car and he
Hey, look at me real quick.
took off.
Look at me. You ain't Brian, are you?
Yes, sir.
So when I fingerprint you in a second?
I'll give you my social and everything.
Okay.
What's your name?
Bryan Beachem, B-R-Y-A-N-B-E-A-C-H-E-M.
I'm not sure. It didn't really look like a bag. It just something bouncing.
B-E-A-C-H-E-M. No.
What'd you throw?
I swear to you, I didn't throw anything. If anything fell out of my pocket, or I mean anything, it could have been the knife, my cell phone, or the flash.
What's your date of birth?
12/13/87.